Hi there, this is Lisa Stoops from lisastoops.com, and in this presentation or this video training, I wanted to go over the very cool tool Canva.com. You see, I am not a designer. I am not, a Photoshop pro or even experienced at all. And when you're online and you're doing business online, you need images, right? And many of us are just doing everything by ourselves or hiring people to do some things for us here and there. But sometimes you just need a cool tool. And let me tell you, PicMonkey.com is another really cool tool that I used. And I was using PicMonkey first. And then I realized that there was a tool called Canva, Canva.com. Canva makes it even easier than PicMonkey does to create images for your blog, for your Facebook page, for Pinterest, for Facebook ads. I use it for a ton of different things, and I just am so excited to show you this tool here. So let's say you wanted to redo your Facebook cover. No problem. You come to canva.com, you click on Facebook cover. It's super easy because they give you pre-made templates to help you design and give you ideas and inspiration, like pre-made already. So it's really, really cool for that. And so look at this. I mean, let me tell you, I can't even tell you, probably a year ago or 2 years ago, I was using GIMP, okay, because they didn't have tools like this. And I'm not a designer, so I didn't get Photoshop. And then I heard that Photoshop had a huge learning curve, and I was just totally overwhelmed and scared to even go that route. Besides the fact that it was super expensive to get your hands on, and you didn't know, I'm not going to go into the designer world, so why get it, right? So I used a free tool called GIMP, and GIMP was really, really hard to learn. And then it's similar to Photoshop, but I didn't understand a lot of the stuff, and I had to teach myself over the years to use it. So when I found out about PicMonkey and Canva, I was like, there's no stopping me now. I can do my graphics. Now, I'm not saying that I'm the best graphic, I definitely cannot do graphics like a professional. So if you're, sometimes if I know that you're tight, you could be tight with money and you need to do things for yourself, and maybe you have a good eye and you want to learn. Canva can make it super easy for you to do. Okay, so here is what I'm saying. You have templates, the Facebook page here. Now, I remember having to do this and then having to upload it to Facebook, check it, make sure that it would fit, the picture. And I mean, it was a mess a couple years ago. But this makes it super easy. It's already proportional to the Facebook sizes, and you have the little box here, so you're not going to run into anything. As long as you do your design around the box, the profile picture here. And and let me just show you what else you can do with this, just as a made thing. You want a Twitter post, you can do the picture, presentation, a poster, you can do a blog graphic, um, you can do real estate flyer, a Kindle cover, Pinterest, so you can create images and pin them. You can create a Google Plus cover, a Twitter header. You can, and my favorite thing, you can even do business cards. You can do a photo collage, an invitation, and this is one of my favorite tools right here because I use a lot of Facebook ads. So you can easily come in here and create a great image for your Facebook ad, and it's really simple to do. So let's just take a look, okay? Let's go to Facebook ad and see what we can do here. Now I'll use these. Now, the thing with Facebook ad is that you have to put it through the Facebook grid tool to make sure that you are under 20% text. These don't have the proportions. They're just showing you a kind of like what you could do. Because if you were to put this in, downloaded this image and put it into the Facebook grid tool, you would not pass. So, I mean, just gives you an example, something to work with. And that's the biggest thing, especially for non-designers. You want to have something to work with because then it kind of sparks um, your creative side and helps you, do what you can do. Um, do something better, make it look better. So let's say I wanted to. Now they have a ton of stock images that are like $1, $2, something like that, that you can use stock images from here. You can also upload your own photos. So that gives you a opportunity to do that. So let's say I just wanted to just delete that picture and I wanted to upload maybe my own. Maybe I want to do a candle picture. Um, for an ad that I'm running. So I want to pull my picture to um, make it stay there, and you can just kind of click out of there to click onto the writing here, and you'll see that they're in different layers. So you can delete this if you don't want it. You can delete these. Um, you can change the colors. Super easy. Look at that. I can put in, you know, coffee, soy candles, or something. Um, there's just so much I can do with this. I can make it, let's see, I can make it smaller like that. You can change the font. They got a ton of built-in fonts here. It's really cool. Um, you can uppercase, you can center it, you can copy it, bring it down, just for example purposes. What else you can do is they have a ton of text. You can add text if you need to add a little bit more. If you need to add something, you can add something. Oops, I'm dropping stuff, sorry. And you can change the color, and you can move it wherever you want it. You can add you can add a box if you wanted to. I mean, you can add these cool little things here. You can always delete, delete, delete. Okay, now the cool thing about this, and this I never knew that, I don't think Pink Monkey can do because I never found out that I could do that, but save. They save your work so that you can come back in and change it around, and I love that feature. Okay, so you can hit download. You can publish your image once you're all done, and it'll go to your downloads, and you can simply take that picture and upload it to your Facebook ad or wherever else. Whatever you're creating, you can easily download it. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay. And the cool thing is you go to home, and on your front page here, you will be able to go back in and edit. See these different things? I've made all of these through different um, through a lot of these images here. I just had an idea to make them for whatever reason I was doing. I use this right here. It's just a generic social media image right here, and um, you can post these on Facebook. You can post these on your blog, and they give you a ton of different starting points, templates that you can start with. You can add your own pictures. You can add their pictures. You can put in whatever text you want. You want just a nice little quote. Maybe you don't want an image in the background. You can delete it, and you can add a background picture here. You can have anything you want in here. You can change it all around. These are all free, as you can see. This would be $1. And see, you'll find a bunch of different ones. You could pay $1 to use those if you wanted to. Or what you could do is go to freeimages.com, or you can go to morguefile.com and find an image that you're allowed to use for business purposes. Make sure you check the licensing on all images and photos and things like that. So if you go back to layouts, you can change your layout as much as you want depending on whatever you might want to use it for. Um, you can just just click on the background here, and then you can just go to your back or uploads. Like if you have a picture, you can upload it, put something in the background, and then maybe make it bigger or whatever it is that you're trying to do. And then if you click off here, it's supposed to come through. You can say back, and then you can click on here and say move forward. Oh, it was already forward. But if I go like this, see, you can move if you wanted to move this, you can type your own text. And you could even create a second one here. You can add new pages. You can delete them. Delete them. you can go back to your home page, leave this page, back to Facebook cover. Let's say you hadn't, you can do anything you want with this. Um, you can create, see, put your own background image in here. If you have anything you in particular that you wanted to showcase, oops, you could do that, and then you could change this. Now these are just dumb examples, but you get how to use the tool by, just messing around with it. You can even filter your pictures. So if you click on the picture itself, if I can click on the picture, um, if I wanted to change the filter like you do like on Pinterest or anything else, you can, where is that right here? Filter your image, which is really cool. Just like Pinterest, and you can give that effect if you want to. Very, very helpful to create images that you really want to create. You could change this up to any color you want. And this tool has made my life so much more easy. I mean, it's made my, getting my graphics out there and help me get what I need to get when I need to get it done. I don't have to wait for a designer. I don't have to wait for, if I wanted to test some photos, test some images on Facebook ads, I don't have to wait for anybody to do it for me. I can come right to canva.com and create what I'm looking for. So you can go to, let's just go to home. And the other cool thing is you can do, even in like social media posts, you can scroll down and just keep scrolling because there's a ton of different templates that you can use. But I really like the fact that you can do, you can put images in here, this or that. You can see right here, you can put in your own image. You can just delete that image or not delete it, but here's a cool thing. They even have an undo. Oh, I love it. I'm in love with this tool. It is so awesome. So what you can do is if you wanted to, this or that, like maybe I'll do like a soy candle versus a coffee candle, you can do that here. I love this tool. Okay, so I hope this helped you, give you some ideas of things that you can do. And if you need any more help, just let me know. You can reach me over, and it would be really awesome if you clicked like on my, here we go, my Facebook page here, Lisa Stoops Online, and let me know how this video has helped you, and let me know if you have any questions regarding how to use this tool. I will explain it and answer any questions you might have um, if you let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching.